This coming Monday, we celebrate Labor Day, and I want to bring attention to what us guys can do to better share in the responsibilities of what's been traditionally gendered for women, both at work and at home. So the first thing I want to invite all of us guys to do is to get more curious about the responsibilities at home and to ask our partners, what other things can we do to share in these responsibilities? Second, I want to invite all of us to challenge what are traditionally gendered roles at the office. Instead of assuming that women are the ones to take notes, be the guy that takes notes. Instead of assuming that it's a woman's job to get the coffee, clear the table, and put the dishes in the dishwasher in the office, be that guy that serves the coffee and clears the table. And finally, instead of assuming that the woman is supposed to plan the holiday party, be that guy and plan that event. And one more thing, when it comes to networking events, let's try and be more inclusive when it comes to setting up an event so that it's not just sport driven. These efforts will be appreciated.